Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel hdamstech. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom application. So just go to the Google Chrome and type here Zoom download for PC. Just enter. You can see here download Zoom for Windows. Just click here. It will redirect to the website, and you can see here the 64-bit and 32-bit and ARM64. So I will choose 64-bit for my PC. Click OK, and it is downloading. Once download finish, go to downloads. You will find the setup. Then you can right click and run as administrator. Wait for a while, it will install quickly. Now download is finished, and you can see the Zoom is opened properly, and the Zoom also it is updated with the AI workplace. So you can text here, so it will reply to you, as well as then there is many features added in this Zoom. It is completely added with the AI features. So now you can see here, I will click this one, so it will update. If any updates received from the Zoom, so application will be downloaded automatically and it will install directly. So I will click OK. If you have the link, you can just join a meeting and you can enter the ID and you can join to the meeting. So these are the simple steps to install the Zoom application. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.